Home Remedies presents
How to use cinnamon for protection against negative energy. Cinnamon can be used for protection, luck, love, healing, prosperity, spiritual awareness, and aiding psychic powers. On top of that, cinnamon can be added to any spell to help it act more quickly or to simply give it a little extra boost. It is believed that placing cinnamon sticks in the place where you keep your money can help in removing any financial negativity from your life. Healing experts believe that this common spice can also help in improving health conditions like insomnia if you can place a few cinnamon sticks under your pillow. Let's see other ways of using it. Burning cinnamon incense and spreading the smoke around an area can dispel negativity and help keep the space protected. Another way of using cinnamon for protection is to place cinnamon sticks in a pot of water. Boil the water for a few minutes to infuse the water with its properties. Once the water has cooled, strain and put it in a spray bottle. Use this spray around doors and windows as a protective barrier. You can carry cinnamon with you to help protect you from attacks of spiritual nature. You can carry whole cinnamon sticks in your purse or add powdered cinnamon to a protection satchel to keep it with you. Place a cinnamon stick in your wallet to invite money to find you. Burn cinnamon incense in your workplace or even in your home with the intent that it will invite financial gains into your life.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.